Greetings and welcome. My name's Aaron Craig with Let's Learn This Together, and today is kind of a news flash for you in case you didn't see this or hear about it. GameMaker just put out their press play hashtag event thing that is going on right now until the end of September. So basically what's going on here is they want new developers and maybe some semi-experienced game makers to share their ideas with YoYo. Now the important part is here, you share them, but they are completely your ideas. Inside of the terms and conditions, they specifically highlight that your submissions are still yours. So don't worry about anything like that. They just want to hear your ideas for your game. And this is cool. It can be any kind of game. There is no theme here. It needs to be 500 words or less, and you need to contain some of this stuff here. So a plot, mechanic, style, genre, and any inspirations to your game. You submit that to them here. You have to have a YoYo account, which if you're using GameMaker, you already have one, so that's no problem. You submit your idea to them, and then they're going to choose that idea after September 30th. And the winner is going to get to work with a professional game creator. I think it says up to 20 hours. They have it in here specifically on the terms and conditions. So they've got the judges here. Yeah, you're going to get professional game creator tutoring for up to 20 hours. And then you're also going to get a very nice gaming laptop to help you with your journey. It's a high-end one. And then your game is also going to be promoted inside of Opera GX, which has over 9 million users. Opera now owns GameMaker, which is YoYo, so that kind of makes sense. They're cross-promoting it. Now, I think this is a fantastic idea. If you are just starting out, but you have tons of ideas, which everybody does, this is a way to submit it, get some feedback, and potentially even win some tutoring and a high-end gaming laptop to be able to make your game on. Now, this is really, really cool. This is a great opportunity. So if you want the opportunity to step up your game skills, besides checking out my website and going through my courses to help you level up, this is a fantastic way of doing that. No cost, doesn't take you much time, and to be able to put your game into 500 words or less in a succinct and engaging method is actually a really good idea in general. If you can't pitch your game to someone in an elevator and have them be interested in it, then you don't know your game well enough, which is a problem when you're working on it. So overall, I think this event is really, really cool. So you can check out their Twitter. They've got it up on here. You can ask them some questions. You can check out the terms and conditions if you're not sure about something and you want to know, just find out more information. I'll have these links down below, but you've got a couple of weeks to do this. It just launched yesterday, so you've got about 2 weeks to get this up inside of there, submitted. So I wish you the best of luck. I think this is super, super cool. So definitely get your game submitted. And even if you don't win, you can check out my website, letslearnthistogether.com, for some excellent courses, a book to get you started on your journey and make yourself a game developer in 30 days. And you can even sign up for some coaching with me if you're interested in that. But that's what I've got for you today. So make sure you submit your game. And as I like to say, keep making, keep learning, and I'll talk to you later. A huge thank you to all of the awesome people who support me over on Patreon. Their names are on the screen now, and every dollar pledged helps me create more awesome content. You can support me for as little as $1 a month and get access to exclusive perks like my Discord server, your name in the credits, early access to my YouTube videos and courses, and more. Check it out at patreon.com/letslearnthistogether.com or find the link in the description below and become a patron today.